How to turn off safe mode on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So stuck on safe mode is basically the situation where you have the option of booting into the safe mode. So sometimes if you want to go ahead and troubleshoot certain things from your phone, it's really not a crazy big deal. So if you're in a safe mode but it does not prohibit some things, what you can simply do once in a while is easily just make a long press on the power button and then tap on this option of reboot. Here you can just tap on reboot and restart the device. Next, what you can simply do is you can just make a long press on power button again and tap on this power off button. So as you tap on power phone and you can just toggle on and power on the device again afterwards, then you'll be able to turn off the safe mode on any of your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.